can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video, we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading around $60,000. Sentiment in the market is now neutral. The bulls and the bears are battling it, but it looks like the bulls are winning. Liquidations are rising in the cryptocurrency market. Is this time different? As Bitcoin reclaimed $60,000, the four most dangerous words at investing is going around that this time is different. Gold has gotten to new all-time highs. MicroStrategy is adding more Bitcoin. With all this bullish news, are we still going to get a red September or are we going to get a green September? Let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the king of the market over the last 1 week, has rallied up by more than 10.7%. Good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Double-digit gains across the board over the last 1 week. Are we finally ready for that big pump to the upside? The last 6 months has seen the crypto market dump slowly to gobbling town. We've seen Bitcoin go from $73,000 where it was trading on the 13th of March 2024, getting to as low as $49,000 on the 5th of August 2024. From top to bottom, Bitcoin has ranged by minus 32%. But the last few days has given us some signs of hope in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dropped to as low as $52,000. Right now, Bitcoin trades around $60,000. Bitcoin the last 9 days has gone up by 15%. Our target, guys, on this channel is for Bitcoin to get above that $62,000 level. And right now, Bitcoin's 200-day moving average sits around $64,000. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin finding some resistance around that key level from where we're currently trading. Bitcoin will need to still rally around 6% for us to get to $64,000, and we can get to that $64,000 very quickly. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is improving. We saw fear in the market yesterday. We saw extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market last week. Last month, there was fear. Right now, sentiment is neutral. It means we're seeing a lot of bullish momentum in the cryptocurrency market. We're heading away from fear. We're tending towards greed, and you know what that means? It means a lot of bears are getting liquidated. The last 24 hours has seen a lot of liquidations in the cryptocurrency market. The largest liquidation happened on Binance. One trader lost $14.18 million, betting the price of Bitcoin will be going to gobbling town. But what happened? We saw Bitcoin going to the moon and it got liquidated. I've told you guys, you want to avoid using high leverage in this environment because you don't want to get priced out before the real move will start. As Bitcoin reclaimed 60K, is this time different? Bitcoin reclaimed the $60,000 price level for the first time in 14 days. That means a month that is typically perceived as bearish for Bitcoin. The story has gone around. The tail is as old as time. September has been a bad month for Bitcoin and stock market in general. There's that seasonality that is September, August, July period is not always good for the market. But last year, we saw a different scenario where Bitcoin went up 3% in September, and it looks like this time is different. It looks like this time we're having a good time in September. Bitcoin has gotten to $60,000. Gold has also gotten to new all-time highs. Bitcoin joined gold in rising as markets see a bigger chance of a 0.5% interest rate cut. The Fed is going to cut interest rates. Interest rates right now sit around 5.5%. New stories going around is that the Fed probably cut by 0.25% or by 0.5%. But one thing is sure, the Fed is cutting interest rates on the 18th of September. Will this time be different? We saw the Fed cutting interest rates in 2007 that eventually led to a big crash 18 months later. Right now, the market is perceiving that maybe, just maybe, this time is different. Maybe, just maybe, we'll be pumping to the moon. We've seen MicroStrategy also add to their Bitcoin stash. MicroStrategy adds 18,300 Bitcoins now, and they now hold over $14.14 billion worth of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy's $1.1 billion Bitcoin purchase was funded by selling over 8 million company shares through a sale agreement. MicroStrategy have been going hard on Bitcoin, and right now MicroStrategy has acquired over 244,800 Bitcoin for a value of $9.4 billion at $38,585,000 per Bitcoin. So MicroStrategy right now owns more than 1% of all Bitcoin supply. They just added $1.1 billion to their stash. At some point in time, you have to give your respect to Michael Saylor. He has been going hard since when he discovered Bitcoin, buying whether the market is dumping, buying whether the market is pumping. Only time will tell whether he will turn out to be one of the greatest investors of all time. Bitcoin anxiety stage risks more December losses, but there's a silver lining. Bitcoin anxiety stage suggests more potential September downside before the next leg up present price action suggests. Guys, I tend to believe that the fact that majority of market participants are on the game that September is always a red month might just be maybe, just maybe, we might have a green September. Right now, things are shaping up nicely to have that green September. The last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 2%. The last 1 week, Bitcoin is up 10%. And on the last 1 year time frame, Bitcoin is up by 125%. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin get into that $64,000 level. Bitcoin can get there very, very quickly. Bitcoin's market cap also sits at the $1.18 trillion level. Bitcoin market cap can get to $1.25 trillion. We might face some difficulties around that key level, but on the summary of it is that Bitcoin looks right now. The summary of it is that, guys, Bitcoin looks very, very wonderful right now. Bitcoin looks as if it will continue pumping, but don't get carried away with this pump. Don't get carried away thinking we're going to $100,000. I don't believe we're going to $100,000. I don't believe all those outrageous price targets. I believe we have to be very, very careful. This pump right now is not one of the pumps that will just be shouting we're going to the moon. At that $65,000 level, guys, you want to be watching. If there's green in the market, if you see all coins pumping to higher values, you want to be very, very careful, because Bitcoin has been distributing for quite a while right now, and the last pump might just be around the corner. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you a Bitcoin bull? Are you a Bitcoin bear? Are you adding more Bitcoin? Do you see $100,000 possible anytime in the next 3 months? Are we going to end 2024 setting new all-time highs, or do you see us heading back to Goblin Town? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.